What's up mga ka-traders? Welcome back to our midweek stock market review live session. Before we start, disclaimer muna tayo. This presentation is for educational purposes only. Final decision should be undertaken with your own due diligence. Use this strategy and trade it at your own risk. Good evening mga ka-traders! Welcome to Winning Trades Channel! Kumusta? Kumusta yung mga trade natin this week? Mukhang madaming kumita ngayon. Yon, good evening, Sir Andrew.
Good evening, Sir Owen. Kumusta?
Ayos lang. Ito, ganadong-ganado kasi bull run.
Bull run.
Ganda ng index natin.
Oh, maganda.
Antay-antay muna tayo ng mga viewers. Pagkwentuhan muna natin yung index. Grabe, lipad ni index ngayon, no? Kay kanina.
Oh, parang kwan siya.
2.71%?
Oh,
Hindi.
kwan din, Sir Owen, parang 3 white soldiers.
Oh, so may chance bukas na huminga. So, wala pa naman. Ang resistance next niya is 6.3. Baka pwedeng mabasa, mauntog siya dyan. So, bukas, pwedeng mauntog siya dyan. Tapos bumalik. So, pero sana, malampasan niya yan para confirmation ng bull run up to Christmas. No? Ganda yan. Tapos, November ata, mag-ano na. MGCQ, sana. No.
Oh.
Meron tayong gap dito. Oh. Sana masarado na yan. Yan. Sino ba ito? Oh, si Ma'am Lynn. Welcome, Ma'am Lynn. So, ayan. Welcome, ka-trader. Good evening. Ka-trader Kinor Not. Isang ngiti naman just boss winning trades. Ayan. Nagawa mo naman akong si Mr. Smile. Good evening, Sir Noel. Masugid nating taga-subaybay. Wala pa sila, Boss Ted. Yun, share muna natin yung link para madaming madaming makapanood.
So, ganda. Ganda ng index. Kumita ba kayo ka-trader Kinor at ka-trader Noel? 6% si index. Ganda. Congrats sa mga kumita. Baka naman. Pakape naman kayo dyan. Yun. Good evening, ka-trader Engel John. Good evening, Jello. Good evening, ka-trader John. Yun, madami-dami na tayo. Excited kayo ngayon dahil may matutunan tayong bago. Elliott wave. Nag-breakout siya dito. Tsaka ganda ng volume niya. So, nag-break niya yung 6-2 level natin. Sa index, ayan, confirmation yan. Tsaka, increasing pa yung volume. Ganda. Sarap. Tabayanan tayo bukas. Sana lampasan pa niya yan. Sana mag-green pa. Biyahe niya to, ilang ano to? Ilang kandila to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sana gayahin niya yan. 8 candles, no? Ayun, Shout out kay ka-trader Home Alone. Yan. Alam nyo ba kung anong mga stocks yan? Yan yung top 5 natin. So, isa man lang dyan. Siguradong kumita kayo. Maxes, BPI, Home, IMA. Si Baita lang ata mahina. Pero sumipa din. So, good evening, ka-trader Chris. Uy, pa-shout, tropang Black 225. Uy, kapitbahay ko pala to. Shout out kayo dyan, kay ni Sir Palmer. Yan, good evening, 3-star project. Yun. So ayan, sana malampasan niya yan. So first resistance natin, bantayan nyo to. So RSI pala lumampas na sa nakalampas na sa 70. So ayan. Ayan. So 78 level. So bantayan nyo yan. Pwedeng mauntog dyan or mauntog dito sa dalawang resistance natin. So if malampasan yan, mas maganda. So based dito sa historical mark up ng index, tuloy-tuloy yan. Sana gaganyan. So far wala pa namang masamang balita. So, potential 6.7 tsaka itong 7,000. Yan. So, pero conservative lang tayo. Dito muna tayo sa 6.4 tsaka 6.6. So, sana yan yung takbo ni index. Yan. Sabi ni Ingel, ka-trader Ingel. Shout out sa bumili ng Didi. Congrats, sir. Lumipad ba si Didi? Ayun. Didi din. So, halos lahat. Kaanan natin ha. BPI, oh. Congrats sa BPI. Top 5 natin yan. Ayan, oh, nag-breakout sa TOR. Meron kayong 14%. Tapos, ano pa yan? Baita. Baita, ayun. Pa-breakout na sana. Naunsame. So, kung may swing kayo, swing niya is around 7.89% din. Home. Lakas ito kanina si Home. Oh, yan si Home. Breakout din sa TOR. Oh, 12%. Panalo, di ba? Si IMI, IMI. Oh, isa pa to si IMI. Mag-up up din. Oh, 10% halos. Tapos si Maxes. Yan, si Maxes matindi. Oh, galing sa TOR breakout, sumipa hanggang 20. 21%. So, congrats sa mga nag-follow sa top 5 natin this week. If you check the volume, baka may follow-up pa to bukas. Sana. Kasi meron ako nito. Yan. So, sana may follow-up pa yan bukas. Lampasan niya yung 6. Ano bang resistance natin? Pwedeng ito. Yan, pwedeng yan. 675. So, may 18% pang ahatakin. Simula sa closing. May nakabili ba sa sa inyo sa top 5 natin? Uy, sabi ni Sir Emil, may pwede pa kayang pasukin na blue chips bukas pa lang ako entry. Naku po. Malapit na tayo sa mga resistance eh. So, depende na po sa inyo yan. Sa ngayon, sa top 5 ko, wala na eh, nag-breakout na eh. Ayaw ko mag-reco na hindi position. Gaya niyan, Maxes, 20. Sa blue chips, hanap na lang kayo kung anong pasok sa system nyo. Alin yung mga hindi pa lumipad, palipad pa lang. Pwede pa yan. Hanapin nyo na lang yun. Kasi ilang araw, 3 araw na tayong niliparan. If i-check nyo si index, naka 3 green soldiers na. So, Ayun. So, sa ano ko, sa risk profile ko, hindi na ako mahabol ng mga ganito lumipad na. Depende sa inyo. So, yan yung masasabi ko, Sir Emil. Ayun, sir, pwede pa po ba sa Baita? Baita. Hindi pa nag-breakout. Ayan. I think pwede pa. Pag tumuloy-tuloy yung baka mag-breakout na to si Baita. Pag magtuloy-tuloy yung index. Pero, pa-breakout na rin siya. Sakto lang, pa-breakout na rin siya. Pwede pa. Pwede pa siguro sa Baita. Ayan. Basta, ayan, resistance yan. So, pwede kasing mauntog dyan eh. Kung mauntog si index bukas, pwedeng mauntog si Baita dyan. So, yan lang yung masasabi ko. So, pwede rin lalampasan niya yan. Kung malakas pa si index bukas, mahila niya to. Ayan. Good evening, Sir Palmer. Ayun, kapitbahay ko to. Team Sengkang to. Yun, oh. Welcome, Bas KK Trader. Anong tipi natin kay Green? Ano po ba average niyo sa Green, sir? Para i-check natin yung bias. Malagyan natin ng tipi na maayos. Ayun, sabi ni ka-trader Chris, nakabili ako sa home. Wow, congrats! Hindi ko pa nabenta kanina. Ayun. Sundin nyo na lang yung target natin. Lakas na ni home eh. Oo, ang lakas ni home. Break up na siya sa last 75. Ang lakas ni home. RCI, bumalik ata si RCI eh. Sir, ano po mabasa natin kay RCI? Yun, ayun, bumalik na. So, kailangan niya mawala dyan sa 130. I think itong 130 ang susi kay RCI. Makawala siya dyan. Sayang itong last niya, oh. Sayang yan. So, parang yan. Clue na siguro yan. Clue na yan. Malapit na to si RCI. Parang ginawa ni Fruit. Tingnan nyo si Fruit. Busted! Akit kayo! So, parang ginawa kay Fruit. Nagbigay muna siya ng warning. Oh, ito. Bago So baka ito tuloy-tuloy na to. So parang si RCI ganun din yung ginawa. Ayan, Sir Andrew. Umpisahan na natin? Umpisahan na natin yung Elliott wave. Yan, medyo madami-dami ng viewers. Palike po sa mga viewers, palike po ng live stream natin. Ayun, welcome po, Sir Danilo. Follow lang po kayo sa top 5. Share nyo rin.
Hello, Sir Owen.
Hello. Ayun. So, share niyo po yung nyo, Sir Andrew, yung presentation. So, pakilala ko po muna pala si Sir Andrew Abarrientos. Siya po yung magdi-discuss sa atin ng Elliott wave theory. Makilala ka, Boss Andrew? Or kaway-kaway naman dyan?
Hello, Sir Owen.
Ayan, yun. Ayan. Sa mga viewers natin, ayan si Sir Andrew. Yun.
Nakikita na ba yung kwan ko, Sir Owen?
Saglit. Ayan na natin. Ayan. Ayan.
Ay. Teka lang ha.
So sa mga viewers, explain ni Sir Andrew yung Elliott wave theory. So pakinggan nyo, tsaka kung may mga tanong kayo, comment lang kayo sa comment section.
Ito, Sir Owen, nakikita nyo ba?
Kita.
Okay. Okay, magandang gabi sa lahat. I am Andrew Abarrientos, currently here in working in Malaysia. So I'll be discussing Elliott wave theory. So Elliott wave theory was established in the 1920s and 1930s by stock market analyst Ralph Nelson Elliott, who believed that there was a more common structure to markets than the chaotic form seen by most other analysts at that time. His work on cycles and waves remains one of the most popular methods with which technical analysts can view financial markets, despite there being a range of views over the efficacy of his techniques. Cycles and waves. The psychological element of trading can often provide waves rather than simple straight lines. and these waves form one of the biggest features of Elliott's theory. To a large extent, this is a reflection of Elliott's studies of Charles Dawes' work, with Dow theory stating that stock prices typically move in waves. He also relies on cycles, which accounts for the restituted nature of the patterns. That theory refers mainly to waves as the key form seen throughout markets, with the fractal nature of his waves proving that the same patterns can be seen in both short-term and longer-term charts. Given that Elliott Wave observed these same patterns over and over again, he has suggested this to be a potential tool to predict future price movements. So Elliott saw that there is typically an impulsive wave which moves with the trend, followed by a corrective wave which is counter trend. He saw that there is typically five waves that make up a one larger impulsive wave before a three-wave correction phase, a corrective phase. The ability to see the first five waves as one impulsive move highlights the fractal nature, given that you're expected to see the same patterns on a smaller and larger time frame. Elliott believed that every action is followed by a reaction. Thus, for every impulsive move, there will be a corrective one. The first five waves form the impulsive move, moving in direction of the main trend. The subsequent three waves provide the corrective waves. In total, we will have seen one five impulsive move, followed by a three corrective move, five three move. We label the waves within the impulsive wave as 1 to 5. Once the 5 3 move is complete, we have a completed single cycle. However, those two moves, 5 and 3, can then be taken to form part of a 5 3 wave. So this is the illustration of the Elliott wave theory. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So basically, this wave 1, wave 3, and wave 5 are also impulsive wave. So there is a subdivision of uh, wave 1, wave 3, and wave 5. So as you can see here, referring to this, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one, wave 1 composed also 5 waves, followed by 3 waves correction. And then also that the wave 3 also is 5 waves. And then wave 4 also 3 wave correction. And then the wave 5 is 5 wave. And then we have this ABC correction to correct this entire move. So you can see um, on the right, you can see that the left side is the impulse or the motive wave, and this ABC is the zigzag, is a corrective wave. So this represents one wave cycle. So this is labeled one here, and the other one, the ABC, is the wave two. So let's say if this break the wave one, possible that there is a wave three that is forming. So taking the moves in isolation, the first impulsive move includes five waves, three with the trend and two against it. So is the two, the wave two and wave four, which is against the major trend, the one three and the one and three. Meanwhile, the corrective move includes three waves, two against the trend. And interestingly, the fact that corrective wave has three legs can have implications for the wider use of highs and lows for the perception of trends. Thus, while the creation of higher highs and higher lows will typically signal an uptrend, Elliott wave theory highlights that you can often see the creation of a lower high and a lower low as a short-term correction from that trend. This does not necessarily negate the trend, but instead highlights a period of retracement that is stronger than the previous corrections seen within the impulsive move. So this is the rule for Elliott wave. So basically, the wave 2 should never retrace more than 100% of wave 1. So example, if this is the start of our wave 1 and this is the total length of wave 1. So basically, wave 2 should never go below to the start of wave 1. So example, if we have 2 pesos here and then wave 1 went to 3 pesos, so it should not go less to 1.5 pesos. So should stay above the 2 pesos price. And
Okay.
then so if wave 2 break the start of wave 1, then our the Elliott wave count is invalid. And then for wave 3, so wave 3 cannot be the shortest of the three impulse waves. So the wave 3 length should not be smaller compared to the wave 1 and the wave 5. So it is at least longer to the one of the leg.
Alam ko. Yun.
Sorry. Wala. Okay, so the image above highlights the instance that we see a third wave that is too short, thus negating the possibility that this is a correct wave count. Therefore, the subsequent waves remain part of the third wave rather than forming 4 and 5. So for this count, this is an invalid count because wave 3 is lower compared to wave 1 and wave 5. So the the things that this 4 and 4 is part of wave 3. Then the Elliott wave cycles. Elliott wave Elliott assigned a series of categories into the waves, which highlight the fact that you will see the same patterns with both long-term and short-term charts. So these are the categories: the grand supercycle, multi-century, supercycle, multi-decade, about 40 to 70 years. Then the cycle, 1 year to several years, or even several decades under an Elliott extension. Primary, a few months to a couple of years. Intermediate, weeks to months. Minor, weeks, minute, days, and minute, hours, and subminute is minutes. Okay, sorry. For the wave 4, so wave 4 does not cross the final point of wave 1. So here we see that wave 4 is already at the wave 1 territory.
Below sa tip ng wave 1. Tama
Wave
ba?
1. Mm.
Hindi pwede. Hindi
Uh,
dapat.
hindi pwede.
Ah,
Pero there is an exemption for this rule also. Not all the time that it's not always a rule that it should not touch the wave 1 territory. So there is also a motive wave or an impulse wave. So here, okay, I'll explain. So for the motive wave, which is the diagonal, this is the exemption for that rule because for the leading diagonal, this is a special type of motive wave which appears as subdivision of wave 1 in an impulse or subdivision of wave A in a zigzag. So in figure, on this figure, we can see that so this is the subwave of wave 1. So we can see here that wave 4 is already overlapping with wave 1. So this is we call this as a leading diagonal. So that rule doesn't apply to leading diagonal motive wave. And also, this leading diagonal can be found only in wave 1 and in wave A. So this is a corrective wave, this ABC. So it can only be found in wave 1 and also in wave A. So this is the rule for the leading diagonal. So which violates the other Elliott wave rule that it cannot overlap with wave 1. So this is only the possibility that it can overlap with the leading diagonal.
Basta mag-form
So,
siya ng diagonal. Tama ba?
yes, Sir Owen. Then the leading diagonal, the subdivision of this wave 1 is like this one: 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. So it is the subdivision of wave 1 in a leading diagonal.
Yeah.
Then wave 2 also is a 3 wave, and then this wave 3 also is also a 5 wave impulse. But for this, wave 4 should not overlap with wave 1 for wave 3, only for wave 1. And then also you can find this leading diagonal in wave A. So we have also another diagonal also, motive wave diagonal. It's sorry, this one is I forgot. Um, Ending diagonal. This one is ending diagonal. So for ending diagonal, it can only be found in wave 5 and also in wave C of an ABC correction. So ending diagonal, the subdivision is 3, 3, 3, 3. So this is the rule for ending diagonal. There is no 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. Only 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3 up. So this is the rule for ending diagonal compared to the leading diagonal. So this special type of motive wave which appears as subdivision of wave 5 in an impulse or subdivision of wave C in a zigzag. So in figure, the ending diagonal is a subdivision of a 5 wave in an impulse. Then in 5B, the ending diagonal is a subdivision of wave C in a zigzag. Ending diagonal is usually characterized by overlapping wave 1 and 4 and also by the wedge shape. However, overlap between wave 1 and 4 is not a condition and it may or may not happen. Thus, the subdivision is an ending diagonal. Is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So we have also another type of motive wave, also a diagonal. This one is a contracting diagonal, and the other one is an expanding diagonal. So we can see here that the price is contracting. This one, the price is expanding. So we have also three wave. So three wave for wave 1, three wave for wave 2, and three wave for wave 3. So these are all three wave. So this is the expanding diagonal. The other one is the contracting diagonal. So for Elliott wave extension, we can also sometimes see an extension in the first wave like this. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see wave 1 has extension 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then also for wave 3 extension, we can see it in the wave 3 also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the fifth wave extension 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see extension to wave 1, either wave 1, wave 2, or wave 5. So guidelines, impulses usually have an extension in one of the motive waves, either wave 1, wave 2, or wave 5. Extensions are elongated impulses with exaggerated subdivisions. Extensions frequently occur in the third wave in the stock market and forex market. Commodities market commonly develop extensions in the fifth wave. So this is the guidelines. So impulse wave subdivide into five waves. The impulse move is subdivided as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in minor degree. Wave 1, 3, and 5 subdivision are impulse. The subdivision is this case is 1, 2, 3 Roman number. Then wave 2 can retrace more than the beginning of wave 1. Wave 3 cannot be the shortest wave of the three impulses waves. Wave 4 does not overlap with the price territory of wave 1 except the leading and ending diagonal. Then wave 5 needs to end with momentum divergence. So this is the Fibonacci ratio relationship. So basically for wave 2, once it retraces, these are the Fibonacci relationship. So the maximum is 85.4% of wave 1, but commonly is 61.8% of wave 1. Then for the wave 3, the extension is the the golden ratio is this 161.8%. It can go to 200%, 261%, 323%, and 423% of wave 1 and 2. So wave 4 is 14.6%, 20% or 38.2% of wave 3, but no more than 50%. These are the three different ways to measure wave 5. First, wave 5 is inverse 123, 123.6 to 161.8% retracement of wave 4. Second, wave 5 is equal to wave 1. Third, wave 5 is 61.8% of wave 1 to 3. So now we'll be discussing the corrective waves. Corrective waves, the classic definition of corrective waves is the waves that move against the trend of one greater degree. Corrective waves have a lot more variety and less clearly identifiable compared to impulse waves. Sometimes it can be rather difficult to identify corrective patterns until they are completed. However, as we have explained above, both trend and counter trend can unfold in corrective pattern in today's market, especially in the forex market. Corrective waves are probably better defined as waves that move in three, but never in five. Only motive waves are fives. These are the five types of corrective patterns: zigzag, 535, flat, 335, triangle, 33333, double tree, a combination of two corrective patterns above, triple tree, a combination of three corrective patterns above. So this is the zigzag. So for the zigzag, we have A, B, C. So for the A is subdivided into five waves, one, two, three, four, five. And B wave is ABC, three waves. And then for the C is five waves, one, two, three, four, five.
Ah, may 5 counts din pala kahit pababa, no?
Meron din, Sir
Oo,
Owen.
sakto.
Then this is the guidelines. Zigzag is a corrective three waves structured labeled as ABC. Subdivision of wave A and C is five waves, either impulse or diagonal. So diagonal is the leading diagonal, or the contracting or expanding diagonal. Wave B can be any corrective structure. Zigzag is a 5-3-5 structure. So this is the Fibonacci ratio relationship. So wave B is if we trace 50%, maximum is 85.4% of wave A. So This is our wave A. It can go until the maximum is 85% of wave A. Then for the wave C, the extension from A and B is 61.8%. Maximum is 123% of wave A. Then if
Parang
wave,
parang wave 1 to 3 nung impulse, no? Yung
parang ganun. Oh, Sir Owen.
ruling niya. Okay,
Oh,
okay.
for dapat hindi siya aabot sa kuan 161.
Oh,
Kumbaga,
161 yung wave 3, di ba?
161. Let's say kung umabot man siya ng 161 tapos diba, nag-correct siya tapos bumaba pa. So expect ka na may wave 5 pa.
Okay. Ganun pala. So,
So yun,
hindi na ABC. 1, 2, 3,
oo,
5 na siya.
oo. So ito yung explain na dito na if wave C is equal to 16.1.8% of wave A, wave C can be a wave 3 of a 5-wave impulse. Thus, one way to label between ABC and impulse is whether the third swing has an extension or not. So, example, if this is got another extension here, so most probably it's impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for the flat, so a flat correction is a three waves corrective mode labeled as ABC. Although the labeling is the same, flat differs from zigzag in the subdivision of the wave A, whereas zigzag is a 5-3-5 structure, flat is a 3-3-5 structure. There are three different types of flats: regular or unexpanded, and then the running flats. So this is the regular flat. So the wave A is a three wave, also labeled as WXY, and then also the wave B is a three wave, also labeled as WXY. Then the C is impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is called 3-3-5 structure. And then this is the guidelines. So wave B is equal to 90% of wave A. So for flat, wave B should retrace at least 90% of wave A. Then wave C is 61.8% to 123.6% of wave AB. So if we draw extension here from A, B, then it can go maximum 123% for the regular flat.
Sa itong flat, saan karamihan lumalabas ito? After nung cycle niya, after nung 1 to 5 na wave, lalabas siya? Or kahit corrective wave 3, wave 2, or wave 4, lalabas yung flat? Pwedeng ganun.
Pwede siya sa yung wave 3 or wave wave 2 at saka wave 4.
Pwede rin.
Pwede siya lumabas.
Okay.
Sige, kuhatin mamaya, Sir Owen. Then for the expanded flat, so also the same. It's a 3-3-5 WXY. A, B is also WXY. Then C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the expanded flat, B is break above the start of wave A, and also C break above the end of wave A. So we can see here that this is our A. C break the price. Also for wave B, it breaks the start of wave A. So this is called expanded flat. So wave B also can go 1,
Pwede
2, 3.
breakout siya, no?
Parang pulse breakout tapos bumaba.
Pumalik.
Oh. So ito yung kuan. So wave B can retrace 1, 2, 3% of wave A. So start from here kung kuan ka ng Fibonacci. So can go up to 100, 1 to 3%. Then wave C can also go until 161.8%. 1, 2, 3 to 161.8%. 8% of AB. Then for the triangles, also we have also this. Normally, this triangle we can find it on wave B. So this connector. Uh, a triangle is a sideways movement that is associated with decreasing volume and volatility. Triangles have 5 sides, and each side is subdivided in 3 waves, hence forming a 3-3-3-3 structure. So there are 4 types of triangles in Elliott wave theory: ascending, descending, contracting, and expanding. They are illustrated in on this picture. So we have here ascending, top, flat, and also the bottom rising. So flat yung B at saka D. Then E, C, E are rising. So this then the descending. This one descending, and the other is the contracting or symmetrical. Then this one is the expanding or reverse symmetrical. So the guidelines, corrective structure labeled as ABCDE usually happens in wave B and also in wave 4. So RSI also needs to support the triangle in every time frame. Subdivision of ABCDE can be either ABC, WXY, or flat. So also we have the double tree also, and this is the double tree. So based on this one, maybe I can go direct to the picture. So this one is a ABC. So 335 ABC. So and labeled as W. So W ABC. So W subdivision is W ABC, and then for the X is ABC, and then for the ABC another three is a zigzag. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a zigzag. This one is like expanded flat A B C. So labeled as W. Then A B C labeled as X. Then the zigzag A B C. So this left side here is labeled as flat. Then this at the center is any tree. So ABC. So but labeled as X. Then the zigzag, which is the Y leg. And then for this one also ABC, the last leg is a triangle. This one is a zigzag. The right side is a triangle. So A, B, C, D, E. So this is the combination of double tree also. The other one is flat. This one is any tree, ABC. Then this one is the double tree. So this one is flat, and also this one is also WXY. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this one is called as double tree also. So this is the Fibonacci ratio relationship. So wave X equals 50% and can go to 85.4% of wave W. So if this is our W, this one, this whole move. So it can go up to 81%, 85.4%. Then the wave Y, this one, this leg can go until up to 123.6% of wave W. And then wave Y cannot pass more than 161.8% of wave W. Then triple tree. So we have also the triple tree. So this one, I go to the picture. So this is W, X, W, X, Y, X, Z. This is the triple tree. So here also is a flat. Then this one's a any tree, ABC, X, then W, X, Y, 3, 3, 3. Then another X, ABC, and then zigzag. So this X here is like a connector to connect the other corrective pattern. Then this one also a double tree. So WXY. Then also the the center one is WXY also. So it's like complex correction. This one. Okay, so then I'll take some samples for the Elliott wave of some of our stocks in Philippines.
Yun. Gusto ko yan. AC Energy.
Okay, sir, for the ECN, SN. So basically, we have formed this first wave cycle, wave one. So this wave one is subdivided into 5 waves. So this is the wave one, the wave two, this is the wave three, and this is the wave four, and this is the wave five. So the wave five is an ending diagonal. It's the wedge shape. This one. So basically, if we take the Fibonacci extension, so basically, wave one, wave three should go more than at least 100% of wave one. So, but this one is it goes until 2.618% of wave one. So, our Fibonacci relationship is we have I mean is achieved at 2.618%. Then wave four, this is our wave four. It's around I think 38% or 50% of wave total wave three. Then this is our corrective wave ABC. So this one is like zigzag ABC. This is our wave two. So now this one could be another 5 wave up because we already break the wave one here. So basically this wave two is around I think almost 70% also. This wave two here. Retracement from the start of wave one.
Oh, so wave 3 na pala tayo sa AC Energy. Yun, mahaba-haba pala yun. No?
So we target at least 1:1 or 100% first initial target. Then the 1.618 extension is the second target. Once
Ilan yung
we
ano? Anong value ng 1161 na extension?
di ko pa na-plot dito, Sir Owen.
Sige.
Kaya lang, sige. Okay, any questions so far? Or this is size N, kung may tanong kayo.
Sige. So,
So,
excited sila sa plotting eh. Timing sila sa discussion. Excited
so,
sa plotting.
so basically here, we can see the subdivision of wave 3. So this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So visually, we can see the subdivision of wave. I think also for wave 1, we can see the subdivision. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Then you see, so once we identify that this is wave 1, then we expect that once it break the price, we see further up. So I think one of also the indication that we need to also look onto the to the subdivision of this wave one here. And then also this one I think is 50% I think or 30% retracement. So I think the key is to really identify the wave one when dealing with Elliott wave. And then MM. So I just plot MM. This one is 3 minute time interval. So this is our IPO price, 1 peso.
Yung
So
ceiling.
oh, so wave 3 went up to 4.272, around 3.38. So here, we see that the price also break the 1.618 golden ratio. So basically, this is our target wave 3, but it break. So the price went on until this 4.272 extension. Then wave 5, I think also reached around 6.618. So this one is the reference is only from this start of wave 1. So I plot the extension from this to wave 1, and then you can see that um, the price able to complete the one cycle, one wave cycle. So I think the this one is also less than 10% also the wave 4. And also the wave 2 also maybe less than 15% retracement. Then KPPI. So KPPI also 3 minutes interval. So KPPI, I only plot this Fibonacci. I plot only on the wave 3. So this is the subdivision of wave 3. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So also within the wave 3 subdivision, the 1.618 golden ratio also is broken. Then the price also able to go until the 4.272 extension. So this the wave. So our wave 4 is around this one. Then is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can see also the subdivision of wave 5 here. But for wave 1, I think it's very hard to find subdivision. I think because of the malakas talaga to si KPPI ng time na yon.
Nag-conso siya, no?
Mm.
Parang nahati yung wave 1 mo.
Parang kasi
Oo,
from
extension. Hindi yan siya covered sa extension.
hindi
Kaso
kasi
wave 3 eh. No,
mm,
kung i-wave 3 natin yung pangalawa, maiksi lang.
oo. So ito talaga yung kuha niya yung 8 something yata 'to, yung wave 1 niya tapos ito yung wave 2. Di ko kasi alam yung kuha nito, yung IPO price ito. Kasi pwede mong i-start doon sa kuha, ano yung
Ah,
IPO price niya.
price. Pwede, pwede. Kasi
Oo.
ano dito, ceiling din ata ito nung ano.
Oo, ceiling, oo.
Tama, tama.
So, di ko alam, gusto ko sana ilagay kasi di ko alam yung kuha niya, yung IPO price niya.
Tama.
Then, si Mac. So, itong
Yun.
si Mac,
Ito yung may flat, tama ba? Flat ba yan?
may flat, ABC.
Yun.
So, ito yung wave 1 niya, wave 2. So, wave 3 niya is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So, ito yung subdivision ng wave 3, wave 3. Then, ito yung wave 4, WXY. Then, ito yung wave 5. Then, ito yung correction niya, WXY. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, you can see the three structure for the WXY. So, this is our W. So, we can label this as WXY. And then for our X, our connector, also a three wave, 1, 2, 3. And then for our Y, this is also for me, it's like zigzag ABC. Then this wave B here is for me, this is not impulse wave, but a corrective wave is ABC. ABC um, zigzag also. Because maybe we're also thinking that also this one is impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this the subdivision of the C leg. So wave 1, WXY, wave 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think here need to confirm if they say this is our wave 1, maybe now we're forming the if break this price and then we can possibly uh, maybe can go another the wave 3 cycle here. Unless it breaks this 6 peso price. If not, then we're still maybe in the correction mode. It depends.
May tanong pala si sir, KK Trader.
Mm.
Ang pag-plot ba ng Elliott wave, week to week or body to body? Ano ba consider?
Kasamang 1 week.
Kasama yung week.
Kasamang week.
Ka-trader, KK Trader. Kasama daw yung week. Okay.
Then, MPI. So, si MPI, medyo din complex yung kwan niya. Hindi siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kumaga, W, X, Y, X, Z yung kwan niya, correction niya. So, mayroong triangle dito, yung A, B, C, D, E. Ito ay para siyang kwan zigzag ito. Then, triangle, then another ABC here sa Y. So, 1, 2, 3, W, then our X is a triangle, then zigzag, then here another W, X, Y. This one is a ABC. ABC, like consolidation, sideways. Then it dropped again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So W, X, Y, X, Z. So now this one I think is already an uptrend. So also forming inverted head and shoulder.
So malapit na siya mag-breakout, no?
Actually, nag-breakout na to siya.
Nag-breakout na siya ngayon.
So kaso lang may gap kasi dito. Hindi ko na sure kung babalikan ng gap. May gap pa kasi dito. Baka mag-retrace pa siguro. Or magtuloy-tuloy. Tapos ito yung trend line din niya. Resistance.
Okay, breakout pala yan. Yeah.
So, service ko to na mag-break through niya to in the future. Yung trend line na to. Kasi, ito na yung correction niya, yung WXY, XZ na kuan. Kumbaga, ito na yung end ng kuan niya, correction niya dito sa Z. Then, IDC. So, si IDC, we can see here on the 2016, I also plotted. So, there's also a small Elliott wave cycle also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, the correction is a W, X, Y, X, Z. Then, nag-consolidate sa dito. Then, it create another impulse wave here. So, you can also apply Wyckoff logic theory also for this one. For me, it's like also an X wave, this one. So the correction is also W, X, Y, X, Z also. So we have ABC. So this is the X for ABC. This is the leg for X, ABC, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or WXY. Ito, nag-rappel ako mukha nito. Kung anong i-label dito. So basically, ito yung kuha niya. Correction ni IDC. So ito ngayon, nag-kuha naman siya.
X.
Pero ito, Sir Owen, nawala ng volume dito, no?
Hindi, kaka-breakout lang niya eh. So parang yan siya. Post days.
Anday kasi dito, nung na-breakout niya, talaga na-sustain yung volume dito. Compare dito. Kasi bagas dito, may
breakdown
base.
Z kasi ito eh. Siya, nag-box lang siya dyan. Yung yung ngayon, breakdown to Z, di ba? So, matindi yung yung downward pressure.
Oo. So, nagkukonso pa. So, naghanap pa ng kwanto. Catalyst to.
Naghahanap pa yan. Ito kasi, may catalyst yan eh. Kaya nag-breakout na yan. May catalyst yan. Kaya pumalo ng 19 yan. Dati nag-19 yan. 19 or 20.
Okay. So maganda pag sustain niya dyan yung price tapos mabreak niya yung 3 pesos para may kuha na.
Balik yan. Kasi ano yan, no? Resistance yung 3 to
Ito.
3 point level. Oh.
Oh,
Di ba W, ano ba yan? B ba yan?
ito.
Yan.
Oh, resistance. Major resistance din to. Key resistance.
Yan eh.
Hmm.
So, hirap siya dyan.
Huwag lang siya mulik sa kuan dito sa loob.
Sa box. Dapat hindi na babalik.
Hmm. Then Ani, so Ani also we have here ABC correction. So this one is a zigzag, and then we have here an X wave. So siguro itong time na to talagang may major economic problems bro during this time. Kasi kwanto siya yung parang yung X wave kasi is failed impulse wave. So also 1 2 3 4 5 but never create another high here. So we call that as a X wave. Then it created impulse move downward. So 1 2 3 4 5 then up. So for 3 and 5 we see momentum divergence also in the RSI. Then the price also reverse. So this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we also have 5-wave cycle for Ani. So now I think it's still consolidating.
Pero
I think
sinusunod talaga niya, no? Yung wave count. Sinusunod. Sinusunod ng ano. So, alam ng mga driver ng PSE natin. PSE stocks. Parang kinoconsider din nila pala talaga itong yung Elliott wave. Kaya
actually here also we can see that this is our wave 3 here and our wave 5. So we can see also momentum divergence also. Higher high yung price for dito yung RSI, lower high so divergence. Then it corrected to form the wave 2 here. So wave 2 naman wala naman siyang normal divergence na siya. Tapos ito sa wave 3
ayun,
ito
yung 3-5.
At ito kasi di ba 4 at 5 di ba dito may subdivision. So may divergence dito. Then ito. So I explain ko sa next pala na kuan. So ito. So this is our tree here for the subdivision of the wave 3. So we can see that there is a momentum divergence. But here for the wave 4 also we have hidden waves divergence. So ito yung nagpangat niya papuntang wave 5. Then for wave 5, we can see that from wave 3 also the RSI also is lower compared to the wave 3 also. Then also here we can see that also the RSI also never go up also. So there's a momentum divergence also. So RSI also can be used for Elliott wave also and also the MACD.
Tama. Yung divergence. So malaking tulong yung divergence. Tsaka yung yung wave count na sinusunod nila parati.
Oo. May kwan talaga. Kaya yung iba talaga, kahit yung mga banks, ito yung kwan na din. Tag-aralan na.
Isa lang ata nagsusupply ng ganyan sa Pinas eh.
Hindi ko alam.
Yung
tapos na pala.
Yun. Sample tayo, sample.
Kasi paano mag-plot pala ng kuan extension para at least malaman nila.
Sige.
Sige, magbukas ako ng kuan siguro.
So, mga ka-traders, meron ba kayong gustong i-plot? Sampulan daw ni Hindi, kahit kahit yung mata-mata lang. Iyan lang natin.
Huwag yung mga illiquid.
Comment lang kayo kung anong gusto niyo.
So, si Kuan is N. Kuan is N.
Yan. Yung kanina, hanggang saan yung wave 3 niyan? Sabi ni Syntax, strongest daw yung wave 3. So, check natin. Alin yung saan yung wave 3.
So, this my wave 1, start of my wave 1, then I'll go, this my wave, end of my wave 1.
Yes.
So na-meet na niya yung 100% na at least minimum target niya. Na-break na yung 3.6. So, if I put the 1.618,
so target na niya yan?
Initial target, Sir Owen, pero
initial
tingin
target.
Pero ito yung niya talaga sa ideal na na
round 5, 4.97.
Ito yung next target.
Maganda yan.
So, natin kung may na ba siya, mga divergence na ba siya sa RSI?
Grabe naman tong kasi full cycle. Sabi niya 10 pesos. Full cycle. Wave 3 lang tayo. Tsaka na yan.
Wave 3 pa lang. RSI. So, wala pa naman tayong dito. Wala pang divergence for dito sa
wala pa namang red candle eh.
Yan.
Pero, bababa yan siya, divergence na yan, di ba?
Ito?
Yung taas na na RSI
ito.
mo? Diyan sa
79.
79. Hindi pa siya nakalampas ngayon.
Kasi pwede pa natin i-define to kung Teka. So, kung natin. Kasi ito, may subdivision ito, di ba? So, let's say ito yung wave 1 natin ng wave 3 start. Ay, tanggalin ko muna ito. Wave 1. Wave 3 dito. So at least wave 3, dito pa siya dapat.
Target pa.
Sa subdivision ng within this counting. So ito yung wave 1 natin, wave 1, wave 2. So ito pa yung target natin na
sa wave
3. Within this
inside hindi ba siya wave 5? Consider na siyang 1
Hindi pa.
1
ito
siya.
Lagyan ko ng number.
Paano ba malaman? Paano kung gaano ka taas yung Ayan, 1, 3.
So, si wave 3 to dito siya. Pwedeng mag-retrace siya ng mga 38%. So malagay pa yung upside nito ni Kwan. Kasi nasa Kwan lang tayo eh.
So, kaya yung A5, no? Yung 5 niya sa A5.
Kaya.
Yung kaninang plotting mo.
Try natin kung
So, sa sagot ni Trader Marky, ayun. Once you identify the wave count, ayan, yan yung sa plotting mo malalaman yung possible target. So, isa yan. Tapos sa sa Elliott wave din, matansya mo or ma-foresee mo kung saan possible na mag-deep. Ayun. So yun, isa yan sa strategy for the Elliott wave. Kung paano siya gamitin sa market. I hope nasagot ko yung tanong mo, Sir Marky. Sige, sir, continue.
So, ano kayang stocks pa? Nakuha natin.
Meron
So,
silang APBI.
EPBI. Ako, naman ako ng EPBI. EPBI.
O ABS na lang.
ABS. Kuha na siguro,
Yung mga na mo na i-plot mo na lang para yung mga nakita
yung
mo.
si, yung si House. Ano yung si House?
Sige, para
Nakuhaan ko to si House. Ang kuhaan. So, si
na-check mo na
House.
yun last time
Nag-reverse. Pwede pa kasi kung ano itong naggalaw niya ngayon. So, ito, kuhaan ko to as wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Ito yung wave 5 ng kuhaan.
Ano yan? Considered triangle yan.
Hindi. Kuhaan din siya, parang impulse din. Hindi ko na kung baka diagonal to siya.
Parang diagonal nga. Ayun.
So, nagkuhan ako dito ng start ng wave 1 niya dito sa taas. Then, dito ko siya nagay sa itong candle na to. Tapos dito. So, ito yung ito yung lagyan ko ng counting. Wave 1, wave 2, wave. Yan. So, ito yung wave 2 dito. Maliit na yung wave 2 na kuha niya. Masyadong maliit. Tapos ito yung wave 3 dito sa 3 something. So, at least 3 times siya ng wave 1 yung wave 3 natin. Tapos, yung wave 5 niya hanggang dito sa kuan.
Pwede pa yan? Possible pa yan 3 times ng
possible.
Possible pa pala.
Then, posible pa nga siya dito, Sir Owen. 4.2. Yung wave 3 natin.
Hindi siya dyan sa anong level tong.
Or posible kaya na ito pa yung kuan natin. Wave 3 natin, tapos ito wave 4 pa lang to. Posible.
Huwag naman. Sobrang bagsak yung 5 na.
Ito na lang.
FOO level nata yung 7 eh.
Ganun. Ito na yung wave 5 niya dito.
Kawawa naman yung mga naipit dyan sa diagonal mo.
Tapos, ito din, kung rin siya yung gun ratio natin na Fibonacci din. Itong 88 ito. 0.886. Tapos, may kuha na rin yan, divergence na rin yan sa RSI yata din. Ito. May divergence dito. Tapos, ito pang isa dito. So, yan. Tapos, yung last candle niya na kuhan, nag-reverse siya yung kuhan. Parang siyang pin bar din siya na kuhan. Bullish na. Ito. Actually, ito, Sir Owen, itong volume na to parang may nagkuhan dito eh. So, may nag-absorb ng lahat ng order na to dito eh. Itong malaking volume na to dito. So, ito yung ito.
Cross yan. Hindi natin alam. Hindi ako nag-house eh.
Kasi napansin ko ito sa kuhan eh. Si Annie. Yung si Annie, ganun din, may malaking volume. Saan ba yun? Ito din. May malaking volume dito. Tapos, in-absorb lahat ng mga orders dito. So, tapos, yung mga itong volume na to. Mataas na volume. So, parang ganun din yung case na kuhan. So, yan. So, yung target pala, Sir Owen, paano mag-target ng kuhan? Wave 5. So, pwede natin i-kuhan. Example, ilan siya sa kuhan. Ito yung wave 1 natin. Start ng wave 1. Pwede ganun din. Ito, nasa mga 1.618. Or kung sa kuhan natin, sa wave 3 natin siya kunin. Nasa almost 0.8 something. So, yan pag-target ng wave 5. Paano i-project yung wave 5.
Fibo? Or,
Yung extension.
Fibo extension yan.
Extension. So, ito si Annie. So, ito yung wave 1 na dito.
Trend-based Fibo.
Dito. So, ito. Nasa mga 2 something ata. Ito, example ito, si Annie, nung umangat siya. So, times double yung wave 1. Tapos, ito yung wave 4 niya.
So kung mag-plot kami ng Fib extension. For example, kukunin namin yung target na, for example, sa AC energy. Nasa tayo, 'di ba? Nasa wave 3. So kukunin natin yung sa ituktok ng wave 1 kami mag-plot, mag-umpisa.
Dito.
Tapos,
Dito.
Baliktad. Sa 0, sa umpisa ng wave 1 hanggang sa dulo ng wave 1, tama ba?
Yan, ganyan. Yan.
Tapos saan yung tatlong click to di ba?
1, 2, dalawa lang yata eh. Teka.
Tatlong click sa umpisa, tapos drag.
Tatlo pala,
saan yung click? Sa
dito sa sa 2.
Sa deep. Sa deep.
N ang 2.
Sa wave 2. Okay. Ayun pala, mga ka-traders. Yun, may tayo. Hindi ko to kasi ginagamit Minamanual ko ng Fibo pag mag-Elliott wave ako. So meron palang automatic na extension. Kaya nakuha mo yung yung 3.73, tama ba?
Yung kwan.
Tapos yung ganun din sa wave 3, sa ng wave 3, ganun din ang plotting para kuhanin yung wave 5, tama ba?
Ganun din. Example ito ito yung kwan ko. Wave 1. Ito yung wave 1. So ito yung wave 1. Wave 2. Yan ang wave 1.
Wave 1. Tapos wave 2.
Yan. So, ito yung target natin sa wave 3. Yan.
May binabanggit siya, syntax. Ang 4.618 daw for full cycle na agad.
Hindi.
Ano bang
Ito?
Oo. So kung AC energy syntax, hindi 10 yung sinasabi mong full cycle. Ang 4.23 lang pala to. So ang 4, mga 7 lang.
7. Kasi ito, di ba?
Siya nakatingin. So ayun. Paano po ba may sabi ni syntax sa weekly daw siya nakatingin. Ano bang mas magandang pag-plotting? Sa weekly ka or sa daily?
Actually, magmamatch naman yun, Sir Owen. Either sa weekly magmamatch pa rin yun.
Kasi pa rin bottom tsaka high pa rin yung sukatin mo. So match pa pala. So syntax. So nasa 7 level lang yung 4.618. So for example, nasa level pa lang tayo, wave 3. Tatapusin muna natin yung wave 4 bago natin ma-plot yung
wave 5.
Tama ba? Yun. Yun pala yun. Pero sa extension ng wave 5, hindi na 618 pa rin ba? Hindi na, di ba? Di ba na? Wave 1? Wave 1? Or aabot pa rin ng 1.618?
Normally, wave 1 is equal to wave 5 is equal to wave 1.
Yun din yung
Siguro,
pagkakaalam ko eh. Wave 1 equals to wave 5.
siguro yung si Kuan natin si APX, siguro nung mga si APX.
Sige. Time CP.
So, APX, so,
Wave
ito,
3 na yun, CPX.
ito wave 5 na to siya eh. So,
Wave 5 na yan. Wala.
kasi nagkuha na siya eh.
Wave
Ba,
pala.
ito, sample wave 1 to siya. Ganyan. So, kung ikaw natin yung Fibonacci extension. So, ito, based lang dito, makikita natin, di ba, na may kuan siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na kuan. So, tapos ito yung kuan.
Tapos na pala yung play ni APX.
Then, A, ito yung kuan, target. So, ito yung wave, at least yung kuan natin, wave 3 natin, na-hit niya yung 1.618. Ito yung kuan na,
Lumampas siya.
tapos, ito yung wave 4 natin dito.
Tama ba? Tama yung ano mo, 1.66.
Ano si Robin?
Sa 1.66 yung
Ito.
extension ng ano. Tama ba? Tama yung plotting ko.
Then, so, itong wave 5, ikaw natin kung ano siya. Ito yung kuan natin, wave 1 natin. So, halos nag-double din pala sa wave 1. Pwede siya mag-extend din.
Dalawang click tapos dun sa ano. So,
sa 1, tapos dito sa 4.
1 tsaka 4. So, lumampas siya sa 1.618 din.
Almost nag-double din. Hindi siya necessary talaga na equal.
Pwede pa siyang mag 2.6? Parang gano'n? O yan na yung
Right, ito na yung wave. Ito na ito eh. Ito yung, so, baka may kuan pa dito. ABC, siguro, na correction.
Na-overextend lang yan. Parang gano'n.
So, baka mag-ABC pa siya.
So,
Tapos angat ulit.
sa target mo, dapat 2.14 lang siya. Tama ba?
Ito. Ito. Yung wave 1.
Okay, dun sa Fibo extension mo na plotting, ang 1.618, nasa 2.14 lang dapat.
Ito nga, ito.
Yung target.
Hindi.
Tama ba?
1.6, ito 1.618, di ba? 1.6, 1.7 siya, something.
Wave 5 na ano?
Wave 5. Teka. Wave 5.
Kung sukatin mo yung wave 5, target ng wave 5, yan, tapos dyan, di ba? So, 2.14. Tama ba?
2.32.
2.32 yung sa candle. Yung sa Fibo extension, 2.14 lang dapat. Tama?
2.14.
For example, hindi natin yan nakita, yung kandila na yan. Sa plotting, yung target natin is 2.14 lang dapat. Tama ba?
Ito ba sinasabi mo si Robin? 2.14? Hindi din. Hindi necessary din na.
Yung 1. Ano ba yung ano mo? 1.618 mo dyan. Ano ba yan? Sa Fibo mo.
2.15.
2.15. Yan. Yan.
So,
pwede check yung target.
Pwede din. Pwede din.
Diba? Kasi for example, hindi pa natin nakita yung dalawang red candle na yan. Nasa ano pa lang presyo, 1.6. If i-plot natin yung target ng wave 5, pwede natin i-assume na 2.14 yung target. Based doon sa Fibo plotting natin. Fibo extension plotting. Tama ba?
Actually, pwede nating i-kuan sa wave 3. Kasi ito kasi parang maliit yung wave 1 dito eh. So, i-kuan ko man dito sa wave 3 kung ilan siya sa wave 3.
Pwede din kanyang plotting.
So, hindi ko lang kung 1
saan
point.
siya pumasok? Saan siya malapit?
Teka lang. 1 point. 2, 3. yata. One.
1 point.
1.08 yata to.
So,
Ganun. Sa almost
magulo na.
Oh,
So, mas maganda yung plotting kanina. Mas,
mm,
sige, okay lang. Ano lang naman guide lang naman yan.
ah,
Para malaman ng viewers kung paano gagamitin.
mm. Dating RSI.
Hindi. May mga tanong pa ba? Ilang months, years niyong aaral? May tanong pala si Sir KK Trader. Ilang months o years niyo daw yung inaral yung Elliott waves?
So, mga 3 years din. 2 to 3 years din. Tagal-tagal din. Kasi
2
di
to
man
3
talagang
years na. Yun. So, kailangan pala talaga ng tiyaga. Yun. So, yun. Di basta-basta. Kaya ang stock market kailangan tiyaga talaga. Tsaka dapat magsunog ng kilay talaga para ma-master mo. So, ano lang yan, Elliott wave lang yan. So, depende sa profile nyo, piliin nyo yung So, madaming mga veterans na trader gumagamit ng Elliott wave.
Ito yung Sir Owen, si Green. Ito si Green. So, si Green, nag-kwan din siya isa, yung gun ratio na kwan din. Na 88 din
Ano yung si Green tayo ngayon? Wave 3 tayo?
Teka, Sir Owen na. Ito. So, nag-bounce siya sa, ganun din, halos kapareho din kay Kwan, di ba? Kay House din. Itong 0.886. Tapos, Kwan din to yung 0.886 kasi sa base harmonic pattern, isa sa mga Kwan to titingnan to siya, yung 0.886 na Fibonacci ratio.
Parang harmonics yan? Pasok sa harmonics. Tama ba?
Pasok yan. Kasi,
pasok sa harmonics. Butterfly ba? Tama ba yan?
Bat pattern.
Bat pattern. Okay.
Di ba, pwede naman dito
Mga pala, announcement ako. Sa, next week, baka, tayo, harmonics yung i-discuss natin. So, abangan nyo, mga ka-traders, next week.
Ito kasi Sir Owen, kay Green kasi parang siyang na zigzag na ABC. Ganon. So, ABC siya na.
Pwedeng untog lang siya dyan sa 3.5. Ano na yan?
Baka dito sa ito.
Zigzag. Dyan. Dyan.
Kasi kung siya ito ay A, B, parang ano siya Hindi siya pa. Tapos may channel din siya, di ba? Nakakuan siya sa isang channel lang. Ganun siya yung kuan niya.
Parang ABC pattern. ABCD pattern.
Hindi lang, ABC lang siya.
ABC lang ba siya?
Oo. Ganun siya Wala siyang yung hindi siya typical na yung 5 wave na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or maliban lang kung, diba, kaya natin, nag-usapan natin, let's say kung ABC siya, o ABC tapos nag-convert ng isang swing dito na ABC, sample lang. Tapos na-break na yan, na yan siya, impulse na yan siya. Yung kaya
impulse na siya, wave 5.
Oo. Pwede yan, pwede.
Pwedeng ganon.
Pwedeng ganon. So target push mo muna mga 1.1. Kung ma-break pa na yan, ano siya, impulse na siya. So yun
Yun,
yung
nakuha natin yan. ABC. No, may tanong pa ba kayo? Yan, in-invite ko si Buddha. Hindi ko alam kung paunlakan tayo. Medyo busy ata sa work syntax. Yun. Yan, hands down daw sa'yo, Boss Andrew. 3 years.
Sarap
Yan.
din kasi yung self-study ka lang kasi.
Yun.
Yung
So
sa
yung
YouTube,
yung presentation, ikaw lang gumawa no?
hindi, kinuha ko lang sa YouTube. Magkuhan tayo.
Inano lang.
Oo. Sa Google pala, yung iba.
Oo.
Sa Google pala.
Ayun. Lupit nun. So yan, hindi basta-basta ang Elliott wave. Hindi. Meron akong pinost pala sa Facebook page natin na Winning Trades. So simple ano lang yon. Simple ano lang para guide nyo lang. Ito basic lang to. So pwede nyo ring i-base doon. Ayun, pakita natin kay sir para ma-check niya kung tama ba pinagagawa ko. Yan, ito. So, pinost ko kanina lang. So, ito yung kung impulse wave tsaka corrective lang. Yung mga flat, hindi ko na So, basic lang. So, ayun, wave 1, tapos sa wave 2, yung wave 2 niya, pwedeng 50 ang range, pwedeng babagsak ng 50% ng wave 1 to 61 o 62% ng wave 1. So, gano'n. Then, sa wave 3 naman, ang 1.618 ng wave 1. So, yun. Yun yung layman's lang to. Layman's guide. Pag nagpa-plot ako ng Elliott wave, ito lang sinusunod ko. Kasi hindi ko pa kabisado lahat yung diniscuss ni Sir Andrew. So, ayun, isang ko lang to. Isang reference para mas madaling tingnan. So, wave 4. Sa wave 4 naman, yung baba niya, mas mababa na. 38% na lang yung dip. 38% to 50%. Kanina kasi sa wave 2, mas malaki yung dip. Pwedeng 618, 62% yung dip niya. So, mas mahaba. Sa wave 4, mababa na lang. 38 to 50% na lang. Tapos, wave 5 is equals to wave 1. So, yan yung ginawa kong guide. Then, sa corrective wave naman, sa A, ito yung A, tapos, babalik siya, aakyat siya. Yung B naman ay 50% ng wave A. So, yun yung possible na target na babalikan for corrective wave A, B, C. Then, after na 50%, sukatin nyo yung X to A, yan naman yung wave C. From B to C, yan. Equal lang siya ng wave. Wave C is equals to wave A. So, yan lang yung simple na ginawa kong reference. So, ayun, tama ba, Sir Andrew?
Tama, Sir Owen.
Tapos, yun, based doon sa ni Sir Andrew, explanation niya, itong wave 1, madami pang mga wave na small wave dito eh. So, yun. Kung gusto nyong aralin in depth, yun, isa yun. Malaking bagay din yan. So, ito, ko lang to. Guide ko lang to. So, yun. Yun yung maitulong ko na sa simple explanation ng Ito, simple guide lang.
And then, Sir Owen?
Ano, may main na ka ba dyan? May mali ba ako? May
Hindi,
mali ako eh.
hindi naman. Yung, halimbawa, yung sa kwan, so lahat naman ng kwan, ng cycle, pwede ding ma-invalidate. Halimbawa, yung kay kwan din. Kay PPI, di ba? Nagbilo pa siya sa yung kwan niya, IPO price niya. So, yung counting na yun, kwan na yun, na invalidate na yung counting niya sa Elliott wave. Yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 niya. Basta na-break yung start ng wave 1.
So, yun. Yung mga invalidation, yun. Anuhin nyo yung presentation ni Sir Andrew. Balik-balikan nyo. Yung mga ganun. Yung mga in-depth na madami kasing ruling tong Elliott wave eh. Diba? So, yun. Ito basic lang tong ginawa ko. At least guide lang sa inyo. For sa umpisa, yun. Tapos kung gusto nyong mag-in-depth, sa tingin ko si Syntax Trader. Ayun, ito. Nag-aaral na to ng excited nga to ngayon eh. Sa makinig sa'yo, Boss Andrew. So, yun. So, ito yung Sa mga nagtanong pala dito na sino ba yung nagtanong? Group. Si ka-trader, Christian. Meron tayong Facebook page, Winning Trades. So, like nyo na lang or follow nyo. So, doon ako nagpo-post ng mga updates, news. Ito, gaya nito, Elliott Wave, yung ginagamit ko. Basic lang to. Kung gusto nyong in-depth, yun, itong discuss ni Sir, panoorin nyo ng panoorin to. Mas madami kayong matutunan ng in-depth ng Elliott Wave. So, ayun. Ano pa bang mga tanong niyo? Balik tayo kay Sir. Ayun, may tanong si Sir Andrew. Si Boss Sean. Ang challenge is parang paano mo siya huhulaan kung tama nga nabuo ng waves kasi minsan invalidated. Parang nababasa ko lang si Elliott wave kung buo na ang pattern. Any suggestion?
Kwan pa rin, so dapat din may kwan din sa Elliott wave, may risk management din kung tama, mali yung kwan mo. Kasi once na mali kasi yung counting, posible ding magkamali yung analysis mo. Kaya dapat may kwan din, risk management din sa Elliott wave din. Kumbaga, minsan kasi yung counting din, minsan mali yung counting natin, kaya di nagkuhan din siya. Lumabas yung outcome ng analysis din. So, yun pa rin. Kung nakita mo na yung wave 1, so ang rule talaga doon is dapat ma-break na yung wave 1 tapos mag-stay above yung price doon. Tapos, tingnan mo na rin yung mga price action din. Kailangan din yung price action na yung candlestick din. So, isa sa mga din yun na i-confirm mo yung talaga, Elliott wave din. Hindi lang na based lang doon sa mga counting or sa labeling mo, dapat pati yung price action titingnan din.
Yun, ayun, isang sagot sa tanong ni Syntax. So, dapat hindi lang Elliott wave, gamitan nyo rin ng ibang indicators para ma-confirm or validate nyo tama yung basa nyo sa counting or tama yung analysis nyo. So, isa yung pag gumamit ka ng ibang indicators like RSI, EMAs, MAs, so doon ka makakadagdag ng anong tawag nun? For example, conviction. Dagdag conviction na yon kung mag-confluence, yung tinatawag na mag-confluence yung Elliott wave, count mo, tapos tumugma naman yung sila RSI, tama yung, so ibig sabihin tama yung basa mo. So isang conviction na yun sa inyo. For example, yung target mo ng wave 3, wave 5, merong tumamang MAs doon, MA 200 tumama doon. So dagdag conviction mo na yun na oh tama yung wave count ko. Kasi may may validation siya na sa ibang indicators tumama. So, isa yan sa sa dagdag conviction. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng ibang indicators to validate na tama yung counting nyo or plotting nyo. So, I hope nasagot namin Boss Sean at saka Boss Syntax. Yun. Inaral din pala ni Boss Sean yung Elliott wave. Yes. Ayan, shout out kay Boss Alvin. Lakas daw ni Sir Andrew. Yes. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you daw. Galing kay Boss Sean, ka-trader Sean. Gets ko lang concept pero hindi madali gamitin. Yes. Yan.
Kailangan practice.
Kailangan practice talaga. Biruin mo si Sir. Si Sir Andrew, 3 years niyang inaral. So, kailangan talagang practice. So, sa Infinity Traders, hindi lahat marunong sa Elliott wave. So, may kanya-kanyang specialty. So, ganun. Depende sa profile nyo kung alin yung mas komportable kayong gamitin. So, yun lang. Hindi mo naman kailangan na i-master lahat ng para kumita sa market. So, pili lang kayo, guys. So, pili lang kayo kung anong mapupusuan nyo. Kasi depende yan sa inyo sa profile nyo. Minsan yung iba gustong simple lang, yung iba nga gustong harmonics. So yun, mas mahirap yun. Ito naman, Elliott wave, yun. Pero kalimitan kung ipa-plot sa pinakita ni Sir, halos stuck sa PSE nagfa-follow ng Elliott wave, di ba? So sa sinabi ko, 'di ba, kung parang isa lang ata yung technician sa Pinas ngayon na legit na gumagamit talaga na master sa mga Elliott wave is yung i-disclose ko na lang si BOH, 'di ba? So yun, sila yung mga technician talaga na master diyan. So siguro sa mga fund managers na hindi magaling sa technicals, nagsasubscribe doon para sa mga Elliott wave counts na plotting. So, yun. So, isang basihan nyo yan. Kung marunong kayo niyan, isang edge din yan sa market. Di ba? So, depende na yan sa inyo. Ayan, may last question. May last question si Sir Andrew. Si Syntax. Last question po, yung fib po and fib extension side by side niyo po ginagamit or magkaiba yung paggamit?
Di isa lang ang sa akin, isa lang ginagamit every time na
mag-plot kayo, yung fib extension lang gamit niyo?
May kwan din, yung Fibonacci retracement din, yung isang tool pa. Dalawa. Yung fib retracement sa extension. Dalawa yung tool din, di ba?
Ayun, may binanggit si Syntax. Si Roy Laksamana gumagamit din ng see? So ibig sabihin saan ba affiliated si Roy Laksamana? Syntax. So yun, mga technician sa Pinas yan. Baka si Roy Laksamana yung mentor niya. Syntax sa Elliott wave. Tama ba syntax? Yun. So, tanong pa kayo. Si Javi pala. Javi? Javi ba pagbasa niya? Javi Medina. Oh. At hindi pala, si Roy yung mentor ni Sir Javi. Yun. So, yun yung mga batikang sa Pinas. Technician ngayon. Gumagamit talaga ng Elliott wave. So, consider nyo rin kung ano din yan. Matinding ammunition nyo rin yan sa market kung matuto kayong mag-Elliott wave. Ayun. Roy Laksamana po. Sa tanong ni Sir Maverick, Roy Laksamana daw. Ayan. Roy Laksamana. Ito yung binanggit ni ni syntax. Ayan. Yan daw yung mentor ni Javi. Javi ba yan? So, may tanong pa ba kayo sa Elliott wave? Clear na ba sa inyo? Tanong kayo. Bihira lang magpa-unlock to si si Sir Andrew. Pinaghandaan tayo niyan. Gumawa pa yan ng presentation para sa inyo. So, naman dyan. Salamat naman tayo. Ayun, may tanong. Anong wave count na daw si dito at now? Nasilip niyo ba to, sir? Tapos na ata.
Tapos na ito.
Lagot.
Siguro nasa kuan ba siguro si kuan dito sa wave, parang wave 4 siya ata.
Ayun, wave 4. Ayun, may pag-asa pa tayo.
Triangle eh. Parang nag-form siya ng triangle ngayon.
Oo, parang triangle nga eh.
Hmm.
Parang, ang tawag nito? Parang,
Tapos wala naman siyang yung nagkonso tapos yung volume niya parang wala namang low volume
humina
naman siya.
na bigla, no?
Oo.
Humina na lang bigla. Ganda. Parang, consolidation. Accumulation ulit.
Mm.
So, yun. Wave 4 daw. Ayun, may tanong si Sir Maverick. Ayun, binanggit na niya yung kanina eh. Binanggit mo na yung mas...
Pero hindi pa yata sa nasa kuan. Parang correction pa yata na natin.
Sige, i-akyat ko ulit yung mo. Paano ba yan? Ito pala. Yan. Hinano mo na kanina yung MM eh. Nakakaligtaan. Yun, sabi ni Boss Ted, oh. Nice one, Sir Andrew. I will follow you at Infinity Trader. Yun. Yan, pasalamat tayo kay Boss Andrew. Pinaunlakan tayo. Pusuan nyo naman. Hashtag Andrew, tapos may puso. Sideways lang siya, eh, no? Paano
Sideways.
yan? Parang wave 3 pa lang? O wave 2 pa lang?
Teka. Ay, nakita ko ba yung screen ko? Sir, wait.
Kita.
Akala ko, di mo nakita. Teka lang ha. Sure pa pala ako. Ito.
Mukhang madaming ipit ba kayo kay MM? Simula umpisa MM. Mahal na mahal mo yung MM ah. Si MM, akala ko tuloy-tuloy na eh.
Bumalik sa kuha yata sa
Bumalik
loob ng
sa loob ng box eh. 132? Napabitaw ako bigla sa kanya eh. 330. Binalik ko. Pero baka lang to. Baka wave 3 na to, no? Wave 1, wave 2.
May nga pa to sa ikuan. Kasi
pag ako titingin yan, lang eh.
ito kasi parang kwento siya, di ba? ABC na kuan tapos
Sa Fibo ba? Ano mang piso ba ang IPO ni MM?
piso.
Piso?
Dito siya sa piso. Yan, piso.
So, lumampas siya, lumampas sa 62%. Siya.
So kasi kung
78, almost 78 siya. Pero pa naman. Pero pasok pa naman yan, di ba? So dapat kumawala mo na siya sa ma-confirm natin kumawala siya ng 5. Tama ba?
4.5.
4.5. Makawala siya sa 4.5. Ayun, ma-confirm natin na wave 3. Akala ko nga tuloy-tuloy na eh. Kasi nag-bull run na yung iba eh. Tapos siya biglang binuhusan. Iniwan sa ere. Ang lakas ng ibang stocks eh. Ang lakas ni index. Tapos siya pabaliktad.
Basta hindi na na-break yung 4.5. Hindi pa confirm yung wave 3. Yan yung
hindi pa confirm yung Yan din yung ko eh. So ayun, sino ba yung nagtanong? Si Boss Maverick. Boss Maverick, hindi pa natin masabi eh. Pwede kasing lang yan eh. Zigzag, tawag ito. Zigzag ba tawag niya?
Baka
mag-form ng M.
Pwede. Baka ito ay
Pinag-form lang yun. Oo.
WXY, parang ganun. Pwede yung ganun.
Parang ganun yung ano eh. Basta hindi niya mabasag yung 4.5. Hindi confirm na wave 3 siya. So, yun. Yun yung ano dyan. Basta sa
Then,
MM.
as long as this mag-below piso, siguro, okay pa yan. Okay kasi, di ba? Pero,
parang ano yan eh. MRSGI. Di ba? Pababa ng pababa after ng IPO.
May gap din kasi dito sa 1.75.
Ayun, sabi niya ano, parang bullish ascending.
Ito. Bullish
Wala eh. Wala pa rin eh. Nag-form pa rin siya ng ano eh, lower high eh. So, di mo pa rin maano. Pangatlong high, lower high pa nga siya eh.
Kasi ito, kailangan ma-break niya pa to.
May 4 pa eh. May 4 pa na
dalawa.
high eh. Unang high is 450. Pangalawang high is 4. So, wala. Akala ko, untugin niya yung 4.
Hindi.
Wala eh. Humina bigla eh. Ano, baka may news, may ano to si ano, may disclosure ba?
Tapos RSI, malapit na sa 50. Tapos sideways pa siya. Medyo mahirap pa. Wala pang momentum.
Parang bumalik siya sa box eh. Yung box mo, for example, ang box mo is 3.25. Yun. Parang bumalik siya. Ngayon, nag-create siya ng box na mas mataas, 3.4. Mas tinagdagan ng resistance. Dinamihan to eh.
Dinamihan.
Dinamihan yung resistance eh. Dapat hindi na siya tour yan eh. Ganda na sana ng ano eh. Sinira niya yung tour ko.
Oo nga. So kung
yung tour formation ko sinira ni MM, bad trip yan.
So ang key talaga dan is mabasag yung 4.5 para at least may dagdag na talaga.
Sa Elliott wave yun, 4.5. Yun yung susi dyan para mabasa natin kung counting. Tama.
Kasi ngayon, mayroon pa mag-analyze kasi parang walang direction pa eh.
Wala pa. Wala, sideways nga. Ayun, sabi nga ni Syntax, complex sideways yata yan. So, sa ngayon, wala. Hindi natin mabasa MM.
Standby muna.
Standby na muna. Ako, personal disclosure, umalis din ako sa MM nung nag 3.33 ata. Yung binasag yung yung Tor. Nung pagbasag ng Tor, ano bang ilalim ng Tor? 3.32, ayun. 3.3, ayan. Kaya pumangit na bigla. So, yun. Yun yung natin kay MM. So far, good disclosure naman si MM. Sabi ni Boss Sean, opening ng mga new branches, nawala ng interest ng telco, Chris. Hindi. Itong up niya na October 13 to telco, Chris pa rin to eh. Diba? Maganda na to eh. Bigla na lang nawala talaga nung this week, 3 days. Akala ko nga tuloy-tuloy kasi si index. Up si index. So, ayun, baka may something. So, nyo na lang. Antabayanan nyo na lang. Kasi ang base ko dito is around 3 lang eh. Kaya umalis ako. So, 3.1 ata ako. Itong first na candle. Ay sa October 13. Diyan ata ako pumasok. So, yun. Itong sa MM. Kaya nung nabasag tong Tor, lumabas na ako. Pasok na lang ako ulit kung may signal siguro. So, yun yung ko dyan. Sa Elliott wave yun. Ay, nangyari. So, yan yung ano. So, may tanong pa ba kayo? So, ayun. If wala nang kayong tanong, pasalamat na tawag kay kay Boss Andrew. Wala, ayan.
Okay, thank you, Sir Owen.
May ano ka ba? May last word ka ba sa viewers natin, Boss Andrew?
Kuan lang, bali, kuan pa rin tayo. Continue kuan pa rin tayo sa pag-aral ng kuan ng Elliott Wave kung gusto niyo. Tapos siguro marami namang pwedeng kuan natin na bali yung sa YouTube, marami namang kuan din doon. Daming mga pwedeng buksan na related to Elliott Wave. Tapos God bless po sa ating lahat.
May ano ba kayo? Pwede ba silang mag-follow sa'yo sa Facebook kung magtatanong sila tungkol sa sa Elliott Wave? Pwede ba
Facebook.
silang or private kayo?
Private. Kuan lang. Doon sa kuan natin, Sir Owen, sa group natin. Ay,
Sa
kaso,
group na lang. Kasi yung iba hindi pasok sa wala sa group sa GC natin eh. So, yun. Sige. So kung may tanong kayo, ayan. Pwedeng itanong nyo, idaan nyo sa akin. Tapos tanongin natin si Sir para ma-confirm natin. Yun, gano'n na lang. So, yun. Nakalampas 2 hours na tayo. May pasok pa tayo bukas. So, ayun. Thank you very much, Sir Andrew, sa pagpa-unlock nyo. Thank you.
Okay,
Sigurado, madaming natutunan mga viewers natin. Pati ako. Daming natutunan. Ang layo ng ko. Alam mo sa Elliott Wave, basic na basic lang. So, yun, in-depth. At least merong mabalikan yung natin, viewers natin. Kung gusto niyo yung in-depth, balikan niyo lang tong video na to. Para may tayo sa Elliott Wave. Thank you, sir. Thank you sa oras at sa sa effort nyo. Gumawa pa talaga kayo ng presentation. Yun, thank you very much. Sa mga viewers natin, thank you. Thank you po. Thank you sa panonood. Ayun. Sabi ni Boss Sean, thank you po, Juicy Night na naman. Ayun. Thank you. Ayun, sabi ni Sir Maverick, thank you daw, Sir Andrew. So, ayun. So, I hope madami kayong natutunan dito. Good luck on your trading journey and enjoy the ride. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.